Welcome back to Amazing World Facts. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible story of evolution, a tale that spans over hundreds of millions of years. It's the story of how life on Earth evolved from humble beginnings in the water to the towering dinosaurs that once ruled the land. So, buckle up as we journey back in time to witness the fascinating transitions that shaped life on our planet. Our story begins around 3.5 billion years ago. Earth was a much different place back then. No plants, no animals, just a turbulent world of oceans, volcanoes, and a steamy atmosphere. But within this harsh environment, something remarkable happened. Life began. The earliest life forms were simple, single-celled organisms. Think of them as tiny blobs of jelly floating in the primordial oceans. These microorganisms are our earliest ancestors. They evolved over millions of years, gradually becoming more complex. But for a long time, life remained confined to the oceans. Why? Because the land was still a barren and hostile environment, with no oxygen to breathe and no protection from the sun's harmful rays. But life in the oceans continued to evolve. By around 600 million years ago, complex multicellular organisms had emerged. These early life forms looked nothing like the animals we know today. They were strange and alien, jellyfish-like creatures, sponges, and simple worms. Yet they were the pioneers of life, setting the stage for the evolutionary journey that would follow. Fast forward to about 540 million years ago, and we arrive at one of the most significant events in the history of life, the Cambrian explosion. This period saw an unprecedented burst of evolutionary activity. Suddenly, the oceans were filled with an incredible variety of life forms. Creatures with shells, exoskeletons, eyes, and limbs appeared for the first time. This was a time of rapid diversification. Trilobites, one of the most iconic creatures of this era, roamed the ocean floors. These armored, bug-like animals were incredibly successful and would thrive for millions of years. But the Cambrian seas were also home to some bizarre and fearsome predators like Anomalocaris, a meter-long carnivore with powerful claws and a circular mouth lined with teeth. These early predators and prey interactions were the driving forces behind the arms race of evolution. Around 400 million years ago, some adventurous fish made a groundbreaking move. They began to explore the land. This transition was no small feat. Imagine leaving behind the buoyancy of water for the harsh, gravity-bound world of dry land. But some fish had a secret weapon: limbs. These early amphibians, like Tiktaalik, had strong fins that allowed them to drag themselves onto the shore, where they could hunt for food and escape predators. These early amphibians were the first vertebrates to make land their home. They still needed water for reproduction, but they had taken the first steps toward life on land. Over millions of years, these amphibians evolved into more specialized forms, some of which gave rise to the first reptiles. And it was from these reptiles that the true giants of the Earth would emerge, the dinosaurs. The stage was set for the Age of Reptiles. Around 230 million years ago, in the Triassic period, the first dinosaurs appeared. These early dinosaurs were small and agile, but they were about to embark on a journey of incredible diversification. Dinosaurs quickly adapted to a wide range of environments. Some evolved into enormous, long-necked herbivores like Apatosaurus and Brachiosaurus, towering above the trees as they grazed on leaves. Others became fearsome predators, like the iconic Tyrannosaurus rex, with its massive jaws and razor-sharp teeth. But not all dinosaurs were giants. Some were small, fast, and bird-like, covered in feathers. In fact, many scientists now believe that birds are the direct descendants of certain dinosaur groups, specifically theropods like Velociraptor. So in a way, dinosaurs never truly went extinct. They're all around us today in the form of birds. The Mesozoic era, also known as the Age of Dinosaurs, was a time of incredible diversity. Dinosaurs ruled the land, while flying reptiles known as pterosaurs dominated the skies, and massive marine reptiles like Mosasaurus ruled the oceans. But despite their dominance, the dinosaurs' reign was not eternal. Around 66 million years ago, the world changed in an instant. A massive asteroid, estimated to be about 10 kilometers in diameter, slammed into what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. The impact was catastrophic, releasing energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. The sky darkened with ash and debris, leading to a nuclear winter that lasted for years. This event triggered a mass extinction that wiped out nearly 75% of all life on Earth, including all non-avian dinosaurs. The mighty giants that once roamed the Earth were gone, leaving behind only their fossilized remains. But while this marked the end of the dinosaurs, it also paved the way for a new chapter in the story of life, the rise of mammals. In the shadow of the dinosaurs, small, furry mammals had been quietly evolving. These early mammals were mostly nocturnal, living in the nooks and crannies of the dinosaur-dominated world. But with the dinosaurs gone, these mammals seized the opportunity to thrive in a world with less competition. Over millions of years, mammals evolved into a vast array of shapes and sizes, filling nearly every ecological niche. Some took to the trees, evolving into primates, the ancestors of humans. Others adapted to life in the water, becoming whales and dolphins. And some remained on the ground, evolving into the predators, herbivores, and omnivores that populate the world today. Mammals diversified rapidly during the Cenozoic era, the age that followed the extinction of the dinosaurs. This era saw the rise of the large mammals, including the saber-toothed cats, woolly mammoths, and eventually the human species. Although the non-avian dinosaurs went extinct, their legacy lives on. The feathered dinosaurs that once roamed the Earth gave rise to the birds we see today. In fact, every time you see a sparrow, an eagle, or a penguin, you're looking at a modern-day dinosaur. This connection is a powerful reminder of the incredible journey of evolution. So what's next for the story of evolution? As we look to the future, it's fascinating to think about how life might continue to evolve. With climate change, habitat loss, and other challenges facing our planet, life on Earth is bound to undergo significant changes. New species will emerge, while others may go extinct. The evolutionary journey is far from over. Humans, too, are part of this ongoing story. As we continue to explore space, develop new technologies, and alter our environment, we may influence the course of evolution in ways we can't even imagine. The possibilities are endless, and the story of life is far from written. From fish to dinosaurs, and from dinosaurs to birds and mammals, the story of evolution is one of the most awe-inspiring tales of all time. It's a story that connects every living thing on Earth, reminding us that we all share a common origin. So next time you see a bird flying overhead or a lizard basking in the sun, remember that you're witnessing the latest chapter in a journey that began billions of years ago in the depths of the ancient oceans. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Amazing World Facts for more fascinating content. Until next time, keep exploring the amazing world around you.